In this video, I'm going to break down how the government pays me every single month, guaranteed for the rest of my life, and how you can get this same kind of income. If you don't know who I am, my name is Antoine Martel. I fix and flip 650 houses, wholesaled 250, and now I run a private equity real estate fund called Red Brick Equity, where we buy Midwest multifamily apartment buildings that we get guaranteed rent from the federal government. So let me share my screen and let's get into the video. All right, so in this video, we're going to go over how I get guaranteed income from the government. You know, most people who go and work a job and have a 9-to-5 job pay the government every single month. But if you invest this way, you can actually get paid from the government. It is the only way that I know that you can actually, except for working for the federal government, that you can actually make money from the federal government. And there's a couple things that I do that are different than most people that kind of stack on top of each other that makes this real estate investing strategy just absolutely insane. So the number one way that I get an income from the federal government is through rent. Now, there are different programs out there, and a lot of people kind of know these programs as called Section 8, right? So Section 8 government rental assistance. So you go buy a single family home or a multifamily property, you want a tenant to move into that property, the tenant moves in, and 80% of the rent is going to be from the federal government. So if you have rent, which is like $1,000 a month, right? $800 of that might be from the government and $200 from the tenant, okay? So this is going to be the government and this is going to be tenant. So that means that this number right here, that $800 is guaranteed from the federal government every single month. So last year we ended up buying 50 units of apartments. We just closed on another 30 units. We're up to 80 doors. 80 doors times $1,000 a month is $80,000 a month. Right? 80% of $80,000 a month is what? $65,000 a month. So we make $65,000. Let me choose a different color. We make $65,000 a month right now. I just started the fund last year. We're going to get that up to $650,000, $1 million a month, right? In cash collected from the federal government. Now, this is where most people stop the video or they just dive super deep into this, but things get a little bit crazier. There are certain cities where you can actually have the government is going to help you with property taxes. So when you buy investment properties or rental properties, you have the rental income, right, which we just talked about. 80% of that's now guaranteed from the federal government. Now we want to reduce our operating expenses. So the only two ways to really add value to an apartment building. So what we want to do here is we want to try to reduce our operating expenses and have the federal government help us out with that. Okay, so the second way that we make money from the federal government is from a tax program. We use in Chicago, it's called AHSAP. Okay, this is a tax program that we get by being affordable housing property management company or property building owners, right? And because of the ASAP program in the city of Chicago, there's other cities have different programs called the pilot program. Tons of other cities, you just have to go and look them up on ChatGPT or AI to try to find out which cities have these tax programs. These tax programs will do a couple of things. One, they will reduce property taxes. And then they will also cap property taxes. So long as you keep the property affordable, the government will reduce your property taxes. Probably one of the worst operating expenses that goes up for people in Texas and Florida and all these other states that people are investing in, where property taxes are just getting hiked up. We buy apartment buildings and rental properties where the rent is guaranteed and we get a tax program. Okay, so now it's a double whammy because now the government's helping us pay rent guaranteed and helping us reduce our operating expenses, which is just driving up the value of the property as much as we possibly can. All right. Now, let's go over a third way that the government pays us is by, change the color here. The third way the government pays us on these apartment buildings for life is through depreciation. So, because I'm a real estate professional, because I focus solely on real estate investing. Let's say I buy a building for $1 million, right? I can do a bonus depreciation and I do a study on this building where 30% of the property is going to be a write-off 100% in year one. Pretty insane, right? So you buy something for $1 million, right? And you put, let's say, 25% down. So you put down $250K. But you get a 30% bonus depreciation. So now you see here, I actually made $50,000. $50,000 in the positive. I made $50,000. I put $250,000 down and I made, let's just say it's even just one-to-one and I didn't even really make money. But I wrote a check for $250,000 and I get to save $300,000 or max $250,000 because sometimes there's a cap on how much you can based on how much you put in. But you put in $250,000 and you get $250,000 in a write-off. So it's a 1-to-1 ratio. So now you have this building, right? Like let's say you bought this building to make a 15% ROI. But now with this tax savings, that's ROI. Now you're at 20% or 30%, right? And this is what makes people want to invest in real estate, because if you invest in the stock market and you make 10%, 12%, cool, that's fantastic. But you have to pay taxes on half of that when you sell those stocks. With real estate, you get the cash flow, you get the bonus depreciation, the government's paying for our rent, the government is also helping us with tax programs to reduce our property taxes to drive up the property value. So those are the 3 ways that I get paid from the federal government and how I'm going to get paid from the federal government for life. 1, they guarantee my rent. 2, I look for unique tax programs in cities that I'm investing in. And number 3, obvious one, bonus depreciation. Bonus depreciation is probably not going to last very long, so that's why we're taking advantage of it right now. With that being said, if you are an accredited investor, if you make over $200,000 a year or have $1 million net worth, or if you're married, if you make over $300,000 a year, click the link down below top of the description. Would love to buy apartment buildings just like this one alongside you. We actually have an apartment building under contract right now. So go ahead, click that link down below, top of the description, book a call with us. It'll give you a ton of free resources about who we are, what we do. And if you want to just dive in a little bit more about that, go ahead, click that link down below, top of the description. For the rest of you, thanks so much for watching the video. Please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel so you get more videos just like this one. And I will see you on the next video.